Thank you for choosing the Ranger RV1 tire changer. To demount a tire, once the bead has been broken, select the Demount hook tool on the upper arm. Next, lower the upper arm as necessary to hook the upper bead of the tire. Once below the rim of the wheel, you may use the red tool advance button to move the tool forward, making it easier to move the hook below the tire bead. Release the red button and the tool will retract to its standard position. With the tool under the tire bead, use the upper arm control to lift the tire up. When the tire is above the rim, use the red tool advance button to bring the tire just over the wheel and start rotation using the pedal control. As the bead comes up, use the upper arm to lift the bead away from the wheel. Continue to lift the tire until the lower bead is in position just below the upper rim of the wheel. Now, with the disc tool selected on the lower arm, lift the lower arm until the disc is pushing up the lower bead of the tire. Once the disc is just over the rim of the wheel, use the tool advance and rotate the tire as with the upper bead. The lower bead will now rotate over the disc and away from the wheel. As soon as the tire is completely off the wheel, you may release the tool advance button and use the control lever to move the lower tool arm down. The tire may now be removed from the machine. To mount a tire, start by lubricating the bead to ensure smooth mounting. Then select the mounting tools on both the lower and upper tool arms. Next, using the lower arm control, lift the arm until the mounting tool is resting just above the rim of the wheel, between the wheel and tire. At this point, use the pedal to start rotation. It may be necessary to manually guide the tire onto the wheel as shown. With the lower bead mounted, move the lower arm down and out of the way before bringing the upper arm down. Now place the upper mounting tool between the rim and tire, as with the lower bead, and using the assist tower control, position the bead assist tool on the upper sidewall of the tire, pressing down until the bead is sitting level with the drop center of the wheel. You may now use the pedal to start rotation. As the upper bead mounts, use the assist tower control to lift the bead assist tool up and away from the wheel. You may now lift the upper arm away from the wheel and ensure all tools are clear of the tire and wheel for inflation.